Are you getting network connection lost, high ping, lag, stuttering, or random disconnects while playing Heartopia on PC? These issues are very common and are usually caused by unstable internet, DNS problems, Wi-Fi interference, VPNs, firewall/antivirus blocking the game, or server congestion. Here are the solutions for these issues.
First, open the Start menu. Search for Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your network adapter. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS type, 8.8.8.8. In alternate DNS server type, 8.4.4.8. Press OK and close the windows. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. Open Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Press Yes. Press Close. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type ipconfig/release. Press Enter. Type ipconfig. Press Enter. Type ipconfig flush DNS. Press Enter. Type netwinsock reset. Press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes.